Hi, I'm Art Martin, the developer of the Pathaway line of products. You know, we get a lot of questions about testing. What did we do? How did we do it? Where did we do it? So I want to talk to you a little bit about the testing. This is a folder with a lot of test data in it. There's approximately 170 items, bacteria, virus, yeasts, fungi, that the product has been tested to prove effective against. And I want to tell you a little bit about that. We do it in several ways. We do a direct inoculation testing, we do an EPA methodology testing, and we also do a serial dilution testing. This is all done by one of the best and most reputable certified microbiological laboratories in the country. Now, interestingly, the product has been tested outside of the country. As you can imagine, we're a global company and our product is a global product. So we have clients in other countries that always want to do their own testing. The product has been tested in Cyprus, the product has been tested in New Zealand, it's been tested in Canada and in several other places. So we never have a problem with a client that says, hey, can I test your product myself? So I'll talk to you a little bit about how we do this. The interesting thing is, when I say there's at least 170 items on this list, there are more than one strain of a particular item. I'll give you a quick example. E. coli. We tested it against E. coli on 3 separate strains. And when you get your copy of this list, and we'll provide it to you either in this form or via a CD, which has a lot of information on it, you'll see some strain numbers. Each particular species of fungi, bacteria, yeast, virus, they all have different strains, different mutations, different variations. For instance, one product's been tested successfully against H1N1, H5N5. So as I said, there's 3 strains of E. coli. You get to something like Salmonella, we actually tested it on 7 different individual strains. This list is quite long, and it's been tested over a period of 8 years. The most recent tests are on things like MRSA, C. diff, which are a big problem in the hospital, and we have copies of all of that for you and for your use. If you happen to have a particular strain of a bacteria, a fungi, a virus, or a yeast that you want tested, we can access that through our laboratory. They can get the isolate and we can do the test. Typical cost for those tests run in the neighborhood of $600 to $800. Tests for a virus are a little more expensive because they're a little more complicated. They require a level 4 biosafety lab in order to test. That takes a little bit different laboratory, a little bit different amount of time, and of course a little bit of expense. If you want to test on anything that you have access to, we will give you the proper protocol to do it. Testing can be done if you follow the proper protocol. And if you follow the proper protocol, you'll get certified results that you'll be happy with. So that's a little bit about how we do the testing and about the testing methodology. Again, we can provide this list to you in a paper form, or we can provide it to you on a CD. You just have to send us a note, email us, call us, and we'll make sure you get your data. Thank you.